Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy. I'm so glad you're with me today. It's been a minute. Life is crazy busy. I'm working. I'm kind of teaching the third grade from home. My little boy goes a few days a week to school. Anyways, I'm back and I have something really fun to share with you today. Look what came. My FabFitFun box. I got an email saying it was coming, so I was tracking it, and it said it was going to be delivered Tuesday, and we were leaving today to go somewhere, and it was on my porch, and I was like, yes! I was so excited, and my husband was like, if you get this excited, you should get it all the time, and I'm like, I should, because I get really excited. So, if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a quarterly box. It is $49.99. You get 8 full-size products, and you get to customize 2 of them. However, if you pay up front for like the year, it's $178.99, $179.99, and then you get to customize 3 to 4 products. I paid all at once, so $178.99, I guess. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. And I will say that you can choose your items, and then the box comes like, I don't know, like a month or 2 later. So I can't remember everything that I picked. I actually only remember like 1 item, and it's the item that I really, really wanted. So let's get into it. They give you some coupons. So I have like HelloFresh. We've tried HelloFresh. I like it. You got HBO. We're not a family that watches HBO, but there's a coupon. This is cool. A vitamin one. I've actually seen these on like social media. A wine one. Oh, add a little sparkle to your shine. And on the back of it, it's a code for $15 off your first box. So I actually have a friend that was watching one of my videos, and she's like, I want to try it. I'm like, wait for my code. So this is going to her. And they give you a little magazine. Okay, you get a little magazine, and it has fun little articles in it. It looks like some holiday recipes. So I am so excited about the holidays. I am ready to like take my fall decorations down and put up my Christmas ones. My husband's like, not yet, not yet. So it does tell you what everything's worth. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. This is the item that I actually really wanted. It is Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight the Mirror. So I'm so excited about this. Here it is. So let's see how much it's worth. I'm not sure. Open it up. It is worth $45. So this pays for the box itself. Some scrunchies. Everyone loves animal print. So it's by this brand. See it? So they say they're ombre and they retail for $25. So I love these. I'll use them. I did pick these. I love Kate Spade. I have a couple bags from hers too. And they're earrings. I love earrings. I'm more like of an earring person than I am like a necklace person. So look how cute. And these retail for $68. As you can tell, I have earrings on. They're from Tom & James. And I got them for my birthday. They're gold. And I love them. I wear earrings almost every day. A lip scrub by Wish. I've actually tried some stuff by them. Ulta used to carry this brand. So I've tried the shaving cream. And I think they had like deodorant wipes or something crazy, and I think I've tried them, which is weird. And Anyway, so it exfoliates. It has brown sugar, raspberry seed, bamboo powder, shea butter, raspberry butter, aloe, vitamin E extract, and avocado oil. And it's vanilla bean. I will say, I don't like vanilla. I don't like this scent. I don't like vanilla candles. I don't like vanilla. So let's see how this smells. Let's see how it feels. Okay. It's nice. Very soft. It smells like the beach, like tanning lotion. So I do like this. I grew up on a lake, so it reminds me of that. So what else? We have Get Well, a Nail Recovery, London Town. By London Town. All right. It looks like it strengthens your nails. 20? Did I say 20? I don't remember. Let's see. Yeah, it's 20. And this guy is 20 as well. Now, I don't really do my nails. I used to. And then I worked at a bank. And I thought they would get dirty. And then I had a child. So I do them for like the 4th of July. Or I get them done for like the 4th of July. And I get them done for Disney. Which we would be at Disney right now. And we didn't go. We canceled our trip. Which makes me sad. But just trying to stay safe. What is this? Oh, I did pick this too. It's a hair mask and scalp detox. And that's the brand. So, see how this smells. It smells nice. It has like that like clean floral scent. And this retails for $28. So, and it's nice because you can, it has like 2 purposes. So it says leave in for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. For deep conditioning, leave in like 20 minutes. I like my hair soft, but not like too soft. Because I feel like when it's too soft, it gets really like oily. And I don't like that. What are these? Guardian Angel eye gels. It has cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. So it's going to help my bags under my eyes. And it's this brand. And these are $25. I'm actually excited to try these. I tried the Skin Iceland ones and I really like them. And then I've tried like the drugstore ones, like the Yes ones, and they burned. So I have really sensitive skin. So I'm excited to try these. But, I did choose this, but I thought it was something else. So Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. I could have swore it was like the primer. But, so this is an exfoliator. I've actually tried this before. And it was too harsh for my skin. My skin is really sensitive when it comes to like skincare and stuff. So if I remember correctly, this was too harsh. If you have that problem, I highly recommend the Tula one. They have like a sugar scrub. It's not that expensive. I think it's, I don't know, like 40 maybe, which might seem high, but it'll last you like 6 months. I love the Exuviance one. That's the one that I'm using right now. And it's 80. But it's so good. So, I'll try it again. If it doesn't work out, my sister, my nephew, my husband will try it. Someone. It'll get used for sure. But I do love this brand. And, okay. So, the good thing about FabFitFun is you can add stuff on to your box at a discount. So, I added on an item. And I added on the Glow and Get It by Tula. You guys, I love Tula skincare. So, here is the lighting. And this retails for $30. Oh, I didn't say how much this retailed for. You guys, it's $58. So this retails for $30, and I paid $7 for it. And I've tried it before. It's just a brightener. So let's see. Here, can you see it? Maybe not be able to see it. Yeah, you can see like that line. You wear under makeup, over makeup. So I need my under eyes to like look brighter always. So they do have, this one is like a glowy one, I guess. They do have like another one, and I think they came out with like a yellow one too. If you've never tried Tula, it's good. It's the first skincare that I know that actually puts like the probiotic back into your skin. So, you know, probiotic is good for your gut, so why not put it in your skin? And it's a cool backstory. So it was created by like a GI doctor. Anyways, if you can't tell, I love this brand. I love this story. Look it up. All right, let's see if this is worth it. I paid like $44.99 because remember I paid for them all at once. So $58. Oh, 20, 28. I took everything out of the box. So 20, 68, 25, 25 again. Yeah. And then the mirror was $45. Was it worth it? Absolutely. And it's just fun getting this stuff in. So again, in like 7 to 10 days, I will jump back on and tell you what I've liked, what I didn't like, what I've used, what I haven't used. I do work in the cosmetic industry, so I'm pretty knowledgeable. However, I've never heard of this brand or the hair mask. So I'm really excited to try those. So I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. Thanks for watching. And if you're new here, subscribe. See you next time.